Designing your course access page. From the admin dashboard, go across to courses and into the course. If you're already in the course, scroll across to the pages tab. Scroll down through the pages to the course access page. The course access page is a private area that is only accessible if students purchase your course. To edit this page, we just click the edit page. You will notice that it's opened as a new tab. This is very convenient as it allows you to jump back to this page whenever you like. Let's now enter the edited page for the course access page. Here it is here. So in its basic form it works, but we expect you to customize this to suit your needs. You'll see the top block contains a dynamic element which pulls information in from the course when you created it. This element here, course curriculum, is also a dynamic area that brings the content in from the course curriculum itself, which is here. This allows the student to enter and start any of the courses or lessons within the course access page. At the bottom here we have a review block that allows your students to add reviews to your course. This page is highly configurable and you can delete out areas, clone areas, change colors, backgrounds, and pretty much anything you like within this page, as well as any other page on the Zenler system. To find out more about the page builder and its usage, please check out Page Builder in the support documentation for a detailed review of some of the things that you can do inside of Zenler. We also have tutorials on showing you how to create your whole course from start to finish.